And this is Colorado Springs looking out east. And you got some weather going on out east. And the thunder and lightning is just consistent. The thunder has not stopped rumbling. I've been listening to it now for about, I'd say 5-10 minutes. And it has not stopped rumbling, and the lightning has not stopped flashing. That's all just lightning. My wife just said that this is like something out of a movie, one of those end of the world scenarios. Whatever the case, they must be getting pounded out there on the prairie, because that's pretty hellacious.